right. Hey guys, so I am at the Namaste for Life, and I am going to see what these donation boxes look like in there, or what their donation box looks like. I am so excited. Hey everybody, so I am at Namaste, and this is Reba, the owner of Namaste for Life in Middletown, Delaware, and I'm checking on my donation box. So let's see what we got. Oh my goodness, look at it. These donations are freaking awesome. And just remember, you can find donation box locations at basicallysoap.com on the Clean Community Initiative page. All right, see you next time.